Guys, hello and welcome back again in my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this new episode I am going to do the unboxing of Asus Zenfone Max. So guys, without wasting a little bit of time, let's get started. Guys, so you can see the box of brand new Asus Zenfone Max, and here all the things are written in Chinese as it's a Chinese variant, and guys here a little bit in English, and that is made in China. You can see. So guys, now I'm going to unbox it. Now I'm going to opening the lid of it. So the lid opened at last. That's the good thing. And guys, you can see the smartphone here in the box. Give the smartphone a sight in the box and look in the box what you get inside the box. Here guys, let's open it. And first of all guys, you have user guide, user manual. Here guys, something all the things are in English. Guys, one thing is too strange in this smartphone. Here you can see the USB cable of white color, yes, and the adapter we get is of black color. Check it, and here some IMEI information. Let me check it. Check the adapter first. At last it is opened, and here the adapter is not hooked. Yes, and guys, another strange thing is that no output rating is written here. So what the thing is, I don't know that really. None is mentioned here guys. And here the LED is in the adapter. Let's keep this aside the box and see here the type A to micro USB cable and not other thing. No TPU case and no pre-applied or given a screen card. Okay. Here is the phone, and the good thing in the phone is the earpiece of this is made up of metal. Yes, it's a good thing. And the bottom part is made up of plastic. That's not a good thing. Let me turn on it first. Here the logo of Asus is, you can see that Asus and Infinity incredible, and we have to wait now for some time. Device is not fast, maybe. So guys, here the welcome page is here guys. Welcome. Select the region first. India, where's India? Here, accept my region, and then go here guys. What's see? And mobile Wi-Fi. Here guys, turning on Wi-Fi. What can we get? Here guys, is the interface. Guys, here checking the connection. I'm also think that this may take time of 2 minutes, and the software update checking for updates, checking information. Get another device, and no thanks, and then for the and next. Checking information again. If you want to sign in at that time, you can do, but I want to skip it now. Skip anyway. Your name, guys. So guys, already took my name. So going to device. Next, then pattern. Then you can pattern to yes, it's a good feature. Let's set the pattern. Notifications and next, guys, here next, and also next, and also next, then also next. We can also skip it, guys. Okay, guys. 1 minute please. Yeah, guys. What happened? Okay. So guys, here the user interface of the phone is here an app button. You can see that an app button here, guys. And what are the things here? Next. What are the pre-installed app like Amazon Kindle, Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, and other apps? So guys, if I want to do guys, the device is outdated. Yes, not a smart UI. Let me check the camera of device of this device first. What's this? 1 minute, guys. Here, next. Touch. No thanks. And guys, here. Shutter speed is good, but not too good. You can say okay, and this device is a dual flash. It's a good thing, guys. Timer also you can get in this device. Camera quality is not too good. And guys, you can see the physical navigation button. Yes. Too many pre-installed apps which is of no use, but you can on the phone. So guys, now I am going. Where is the settings? Let me check it. Here the settings, guys. Settings here, guys. It takes too much of time. Now the notification. Let's see, guys. Sound is not good. Sound is not loud. What? I don't know what's happening here, guys. And guys, here you can see one thing, which and no fingerprint, no face unlock also. About then you can see, guys, the Android version here, guys. The Android version is, guys, 6.0.1. Oh my god, Here's the one where marshmallow. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. One game is also there, guys. This is really an interesting game for me. Let me play it one time only, guys. And security patch level, guys, not good. You can see the 1st November 2017. It's an old outdated device, so you need to upgrade it